Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. 6th chapter Indices. Now let's see first what is the meaning of the word index or indices. Index or indices means the power. Dear students, now as you can see in the screen, the number is written, that is one number is written down and another number is written up. So the number which we are writing down is known as your base, and the number which we are writing on the upper side of that number is known as your index, power or exponent. Clear, student? Now how you will read this number? You can read this number as 2 raised to 6. You can also read it as 2 raised to the power 6, or you can also read it as the 6th power of 2. Clear? Now you have to keep certain points in your mind, student, that the first power of any number is that number itself. Clear, everyone? If the first power is given of that number, so what answer you will get? You will get the number itself. For example, it is given 5 raised to 1. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 5. Clear? Now second one is given, that is second power of any number is the square of that number. Clear? If the power is given as 2, it means what you are finding? You are finding the square of that number. For example, it is given 5 raised to 2. So your answer will be 5 5s are 25. Clear? And the last point you have to keep in your mind is the third power of any number is the cube of that number. Means if the power is given 3, means what you are finding? You are finding the cube of the given number. For example, it is given 5 raised to 3. So what will be the value of 5? So you will get, that is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 you will get, that is 125. Means what you have done? You had find out the cube of 5. Clear? Now let's see practice set 26. Question number 1, complete the table below. Now here, student, we have to complete this table. See, first one has been done for you. Here indices is given. Clear? Numbers in the index form is given. From this you have to write down your base, your index, and you have to write down in the multiplication form, and then you have to find out the value. Now let's see the second one. How you will do? It is given 16 raised to 3. So what will be your base? Your base will be 16. Clear? Your index will be 3. Clear? And what will be the multiplication form? Your index is 3. It means you will write down your base 3 times. So 16 into 16 into 16. Now you have to find out the value. How you will going to find out the value? You have to multiply 16 with 16 with 16. 3 times you have to multiply your 16. You will get your value, that is 4096. Clear, students? Now see the third one. Now here indices is not given, base and index is given. So how you will write down the indices? With the help of this base and index, we can write down our indices, that is minus 8 raised to 2. Clear? Our base is minus 8 and index is 2. Now we have to write down the multiplication form. So how you will going to write down? That is minus 8 multiply by minus 8. 2 times you have to write down minus 8. Why? Because our index is 2. Clear? Now we have to find out the value. So 8 8s are, you will get, that is value 64. Now with sign you will give, minus minus will be plus. Clear? So like this you have to complete this table. Question number 2, find the value. Now students, here what you have to do is you have to find out the value of the given number. So how you will going to find out the value? Now here first of all what we have to do is first we have to write down in the multiplication form. So see the first one, 5 raised to 3 is given. Means first we will write down in the multiplication form. So how many times you will write down your base? Your index is 3. So 3 times you will write down your base. So now multiply it. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are you will get that is 125. Clear? So like this you have to find out the value. Now see the second one, minus 7 raised to 4. So again first we will write down in the multiplication form. Minus 7 multiply by minus 7, multiply by minus 7 and multiply by minus 7. Clear? Whatever index is given, that much time you have to write down your base. Clear students? So see, now we have to multiply this. So if you will multiply 7 with 7, 7 sevens are 49. Like this you have to multiply. 49 sevens are like this you have to multiply. So you will get 2401. Clear everyone? Now minus is given. So we have to give the sign. So minus minus plus, plus minus 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 plus. So here your answer will be in the positive one. Clear? Your answer will be positive one. See, whenever your index is even number means the answer you will get is positive, and whenever your index is odd one, now see in the third one minus 6 raised to 3 is given. So here your index is what? Index is odd. So here your answer will be, you will get as your negative answer. Clear everyone? Now you will get, see, minus 6 multiply by minus 6 multiply by minus 6. Clear? So if you will multiply, here 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are you will get 216. Clear? Now minus minus will be plus, plus minus will be minus. So your answer will be minus 216. Clear? So whenever your index is even, you will get your answer as positive. Whenever your index is odd, you will get your answer as negative. Clear? Keep this in mind. Now let's see the rules of indices. You can also call it as laws of indices. Now let's see the first rule. Now first rule we will see for multiplication of indices with the same base. So whenever the same base is given and the multiplication operation is given, so what you have to do? So what you have to do, student, is you have to just add your index. Clear? If the base is same and the multiplication sign is given, you have to just add your index. Clear? As you can see in this slide, what I have done, see here the example is given 5 raised to 2 multiply by 5 raised to 4. So what we have done over here, the base is same, so here I have just added my index, that is 4 plus 2. Clear? So what you will get? You will get that is 5 raised to 6. Now see how it works. How you will get your 5 raised to 6. Now see here below I have done, that is 5 raised to 2 multiply by 5 raised to 4. So what I have done, first I had expanded, I have written in the multiplication form. 5 raised to 2, how you will write down in the multiplication form? 5 into 5 means 2 times you will write down your base, that is 5. Next is given 5 raised to 4. Clear? So how you will write down the multiplication of 5 raised to 4? That is 4 times you will write down 5. Clear? Now here we will open the bracket, and here our base will be 5, and how many times we have written that 5 we have to count. We have written that 5 6 times, so our answer is 5 raised to 6. Clear? Like this it works. Let's see practice set 27. First one, simplify. 7 raised to 4 multiply by 7 raised to 2. Clear? Now we have studied the rule for simplifying the indices. So in a simple way you have to keep in mind that whenever your base are same and multiplication sign is given, multiplication operation is given, so what you will do with your index? you have to add your index, that is 7 raised to 4 plus 2. You will get that is 7 raised to 6. Clear? Nothing you have to do, just you have to add your index when multiplication operations are given, multiplication sign is given. Clear, students? Similarly here also how you will do, it is given a raised to 16 multiplied by a raised to 7. Just you have to add your index, base will come as it is. So 16 plus 7, what you will get, that is a raised to 23. Clear, students? Nothing you have to do, whenever the multiplication sign is given and base are same, you have to just add your index. Clear? Thank you.